So we're building a deck here, and I want to show you this cool tool it's the CAMO Marksman Pro, and it's cool because it sets it and it buries the screws in the decking. If you look at this decking, you notice there's no screws visible, and it's amazing how this simple tool makes putting a deck easy. You can see how small the heads are. This provides the spacing, and you just line it up, snug it in. You can see how it provides the spacing. And I'm pushing it in, and the screws have, a very small head, and they drop in. You're dropping them on both sides. Put a little pressure to keep the board snug, and then watch. It will only go so far. Goes in quick. Pop this, and look. You can barely see where the screw went in, and that board's on. But here, how long will it take us to do another line? Right, snug. Pop it on, hold it down. Grab a screw. Easy, right against the side here. The bit won't go further than what it needs. Over time, the screws won't loosen, and you won't have head sticking up to catch your feet. I think it's amazing.